Hi guys, in this video today I will be opening a box I got of a giant gummy.
All right, let's see. We ordered it on Amazon. We've never had one before. What is pizza? Wait, pizza box. Uh-oh, be careful. Let's see.
I'm going to be joining in later.
Oh boy, we got, and it's a pizza. It's hot. Is it really? You being silly? Let me feel. Oh, it is. Careful, don't squish. Don't want it to be melted. It was outside. It came in a pizza box. Look how cool. Baked oven fresh, and it's a pizza. And if you open it up, it looks just like a pizza, but uh-oh. But hold on, let's see.
Okay, there you go.
It looks like a giant pizza,
I thought it was bigger on the package,
but we thought it was bigger. But it's pretty big. It's the size of a pizza box. Isn't it cool?
I'm gonna cut some.
What's on it, Joe's?
Oh, and look, it has lines to cut it from.
Has lines?
See. Wait, what?
You have the knife upside down.
Oh,
Don't cut your finger.
can't cut it.
Is it really hard to cut?
Just rip it.
Let me see.
No, don't rip it.
Oh, there are lines. See the lines? Straight down right here. The line's right here.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Careful. Go slow. It's hard because it's a gummy.
I got it.
Don't put your finger near
I didn't
it.
get it.
Now let's see. A tiny bit. And they have little gummies on them. Pepperonis. Peppers.
Can't cut it.
Let's see how much we got.
Oh,
Oh, you're doing pretty good.
is that pineapple in it?
Looks like peppers.
Looks like maybe peppers. And what are those
And olives.
things? Olives. Peppers. I hope they don't taste like olives.
I hope they don't taste like olives.
Which way can you think you see my shadow?
This is Harmony, our friend. Hey, Harmony. She's being shy, but she wanted to see the giant gummy too, because it is big. Like I said, look, it's the coolest thing. We're going to keep cutting it, but look at this. So you close the pizza box, and it's a for real pizza
It
box.
says Papa John's.
It says pizza, not Papa John's.
White, whatever.
It's a real pizza box, and inside the pizza box,
I'm trying to cut it right here. So it's
you want me to try? Here, you. Let's see.
I'll hold it.
Okay, just watch the pizza. We'll see.
My mom's better at me than cutting. I'm not as good as cutting gummies.
It's really hard. Let's see how much we cut.
Kind of sticking to the box, it looks like.
Okay, a little bit, I guess. My fingers are all over it. I don't know if this is very good for anybody's health, but, and
It's fine.
we share germs in this house.
Good.
Let's see if we cut it at all. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Would you like a piece of pizza? Wait, you can't.
I'm gonna eat it.
Where is it? Want a piece of pizza?
Ready? I'm gonna take the first bite. Scared.
After Josie's trying it, let's see. Does it just taste like a gummy?
Tastes like a gummy. I don't taste any gummy.
Well, it's a gummy.
I taste a gummy.
It's
I
like a
taste that.
huge, you know what it's like? A big SpongeBob.
I think this is lemon.
Yeah, that will like lemon.
I think this is lemon.
Well, it might have flavors. Oh my.
That's
Oh, Harmony.
That's
Would
lemon.
you like
That's
a
lemon.
piece of pizza, Harmony? Here you go. Lemon.
That's lemon.
All right, so what flavor does Harmony taste? Let's see.
What do you taste? How many? Taste the pepperoni. I didn't taste pepperoni.
pepperoni tastes like cherry.
Yeah.
Cherry?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're thinking cherry pepperoni.
And then this is lemon.
Lemon. All right, what about the green? We're going to try the green. Let's see. Can you get it off? Oh, yeah.
Go first.
I want to think it's like a lime.
No.
Can't, no?
It's green apple.
It's green apple. I think I know.
Yeah, it's green apple.
And
The cheese.
The cheese is a different flavor? No, it's hard to bite.
cheese? It don't taste like nothing.
It doesn't taste like nothing.
All right, get another good bite. Let's see that bite.
Ready? I'm gonna taste everything. Taste the lemon and the chili together.
What's the crust taste like?
No.
Yeah.
I can't taste it. I got too much flavor.
If you have
It tastes like
teeth coming in, do not bite a gummy or braces.
yeah,
What's it taste like?
It tastes like liver. I couldn't taste it because I got too much.
Too much. All right, we can't tell the flavor.
Orange.
Let me try. I don't really do gummies, so let's see.
This is hard. And this, the whole flavor together, it
The
tastes
whole
like
flavor.
bubblegum.
It might be orange. You might be right. It reminds me of Hold on. It reminds me of what are the circles?
Orange. Peaches.
The different color circles.
Peaches.
Gummy. They're gummies. Fruit. No. What is that word?
Oh, fish ones? Fish
No, not the fish ones. They're lifesavers.
Yeah, like this.
It has lifesaver flavor. The crust.
You should get a giant
Okay.
gummy bear and a giant worm gummy.
Try a giant gummy bear.
And a giant worm gummy.
Oh, I
Giant
found
worm.
We found a giant worm and it was $108. I found it.
But
It
you'd
goes
never
from
eat
your
it. What would
neck.
you do with it?
It goes from your neck all the way to your foot when I saw this man.
What you do with it?
What would you do with a giant gummy like that?
Probably dad would eat it all.
All right, well, we'll see you guys later. Say, see you guys later.
See you.
Gonna eat our
Peace,
gummy.
Hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell, and hit that bell. Bye-bye.